swimming with a grin. B is for binturong, with a tail to swing right in. C is for cuscus, climbing up so high. D is for dole, running swift beneath the sky. E is for echidna, spiky as can be. F is for fossa, sneaky in the trees. G is for gore, with horns so grand. H is for hoatzin, flapping over land. I is for ibex, climbing up the rocks. J is for jerboa, jumping in big shocks. K is for kakapo, a parrot that can't fly. L is for loris, blinking big round eyes. M is for markhor, twisting horns so neat. N is for nummet, munching bugs for a treat. O is for okapi, stripes upon its side. P is for pangolin, rolling up too high. Is for quokka, smiling bright and wide. R is for red wolf, with a bushy tail of pride. S is for saiga, with a nose so cool. T is for tarsier, big-eyed little jewel. For you, a Korean with a face so red. V is for Vicuña, soft wool to spread. W is for wombat, digging through the ground. X is for xanthus, where hummingbirds are found. Is for yabby, crawling in the stream. Z is for Zorilla, with a stinky little scheme. Now we've sung from A to Z, so many